Kangaroos are iconic symbols of Australia and are among the most recognizable animals in the world. These fascinating marsupials belong to the family Macropeidae, which means Bigfoot, a reference to their powerful hind legs. Known for their unique method of locomotion, kangaroos are the only large animals that move by hopping, which allows them to cover vast distances quickly and efficiently. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the biology, behavior, habitat, social structure, and conservation status of kangaroos, highlighting their significance in both ecological and cultural contexts. Kangaroos are primarily found in Australia, but they also inhabit New Guinea and surrounding islands. There are 4 main species of kangaroos: the red kangaroos, the red kangaroo, the eastern grey kangaroo, the western grey kangaroo, and the antilopine kangaroo. Among these, the red kangaroo Macropus rufus is the largest and most iconic, with males standing up to 8 feet tall, 2.3 meters when on their hind legs, and weighing up to 200 pounds, 90 kilograms. Their distinctive appearance features a strong, muscular build, long, powerful legs, a large tail for balance, and a pointed snout. The reddish-brown fur of the red kangaroo provides excellent camouflage in the arid Australian outback. Kangaroos possess several adaptations that enable them to thrive in their environment. Their strong hind legs and large feet are designed for efficient hopping, allowing them to travel at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour over short distances. This unique form of locomotion conserves energy, making it an effective way to traverse the vast and often harsh landscapes of Australia. Kangaroos can cover considerable distances in search of food and water, hopping as far as 25 feet, 7.6 meters in a single bound. One of the most distinctive features of kangaroos is their pouch, a characteristic of all marsupials. The pouch serves as a protective space for female kangaroos to carry and nurse their young, known as joeys. After a gestation period of about 30 to 40 days, the underdeveloped joey is born and climbs into the mother's pouch, where it continues to develop and grow. The pouch provides a safe environment for the joey to attach to a teat and receive nourishment as it continues to grow and mature. Joeys typically remain in the pouch for several months and begin to emerge and explore the world around them at about 6 months of age. Kangaroos are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, and shoots. Their specialized digestive system is designed to break down tough plant material efficiently. Kangaroos possess a complex stomach with multiple chambers, allowing them to ferment and digest fibrous plant matter effectively. This adaptation enables them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their food while minimizing water loss, an essential trait for survival in the arid environments they inhabit. Socially, kangaroos are generally found in groups known as mobs, which can range from a few individuals to over 100, depending on the availability of resources. These mobs are usually led by a dominant male, known as a boomer, who maintains order and protects the group from potential threats. Mobs are often composed of females and their young, with males occasionally joining for breeding purposes. Social interactions within the mob involve grooming, play, and vocalizations, contributing to the establishment of bonds and social hierarchies. Communication among kangaroos occurs through various vocalizations, body language, and postures. They use soft grunts and low-frequency sounds to signal to one another, particularly during social interactions and when alarmed. Body language, such as ear positioning and tail movements, also plays a significant role in communication, helping to convey emotions and intentions. For example, an alert kangaroo will stand upright with its ears perked forward, indicating readiness to flee from potential predators. Kangaroos have few natural predators in the wild, primarily due to their size and speed. However, young kangaroos are vulnerable to attacks from larger birds of prey and carnivorous mammals. Human activities pose a more significant threat to kangaroo populations, particularly through habitat destruction and hunting. In some areas, kangaroo populations are managed through regulated hunting to prevent overpopulation and ecological imbalances. However, this practice is often controversial and raises ethical questions regarding the treatment of wildlife. In recent years, the conservation status of kangaroos has become a topic of concern. While many kangaroo species are not currently endangered, habitat loss and climate change pose significant threats to their populations. The destruction of natural habitats for agriculture, urban development, and mining has led to decreased food availability and increased competition for resources. Additionally, changing climate patterns have resulted in altered rainfall and temperature regimes, affecting the distribution and growth of vegetation that kangaroos rely on for sustenance. Efforts to protect kangaroos and their habitats are ongoing, with conservation organizations and government agencies working to promote sustainable land management practices and raise awareness about the importance of kangaroo conservation. Initiatives such as habitat restoration, the establishment of wildlife corridors, and public education campaigns aim to mitigate the impacts of human activities on kangaroo populations and ensure their survival for future generations. Culturally, kangaroos hold a significant place in Australian identity. They are featured prominently in Aboriginal art, folklore, and traditional practices, symbolising strength, resilience, and connection to the land. Kangaroos are also a source of pride for Australians, often associated with the country's unique wildlife and natural beauty. They are depicted on the Australian coat of arms, along with the emu representing progress and moving forward, as neither animal can walk backward. This symbolism reflects the values of growth and determination ingrained in Australian culture. Kangaroos have also become a symbol of wildlife tourism, attracting visitors from around the globe who seek to experience the beauty of Australia's natural landscapes and encounter its iconic wildlife. Wildlife parks, nature reserves, and eco-tourism initiatives offer opportunities for people to observe kangaroos in their natural habitats, promoting appreciation for these remarkable animals and the ecosystems they inhabit. These experiences not only foster a deeper understanding of kangaroos, but also contribute to the economic viability of conservation efforts. In addition to their ecological and cultural significance, kangaroos play a vital role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems. As herbivores, they contribute to the regulation of vegetation growth by grazing on grasses and shrubs. This grazing activity helps maintain open grasslands and prevents the overgrowth of certain plant species, promoting biodiversity and the overall health of the ecosystem. Furthermore, their feeding habits can create microhabitats for other organisms, supporting a diverse range of plant and animal life. Kangaroos have also garnered attention in scientific research, particularly in the fields of biology, ecology, and conservation. Their unique reproductive strategies and adaptations to arid environments provide valuable insights into evolutionary processes and the challenges faced by species in changing landscapes. Studies on kangaroo behavior, social dynamics, and habitat use contribute to our understanding of animal behavior and the importance of preserving natural ecosystems. As we look to the future, it is crucial to prioritize kangaroo conservation and protect their habitats from further degradation. Collaborative efforts between governments, conservation organizations, local communities, and individuals can make a significant impact on ensuring the survival of kangaroos and their ecosystems. Promoting sustainable land use practices, reducing carbon emissions, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity are essential steps in safeguarding kangaroos and the rich natural heritage of Australia. In conclusion, kangaroos are remarkable animals that embody the spirit of Australia. Their unique adaptations, social